to my channel. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my puppet toy. It's a circle. Friends, it's a rainbow puppet. I will tell you the colors name. Blue, yellow, orange, red. My puppet with any names. First you want to take one puppet toy and the names Choclate. When you take any names, put in a bowl. How to put this? You ready? Okay, then let's go. Take one by one and put in the holes. Yellow is here, one here, not like this. Slowly, 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 slow. Inside in the hole. And one more is yellow. Here. Put different colors, Mama. Yeah. There you go. Make it. Green. I found the green. Sorry. Like this. Now inside the bowl. Now we'll put inside. Hi friends, I will toast and names all. Let's do like this. Let's put some on chocolate. Let's go. So do like this. Put on it. Let's put on the oven. Oh, still empty and not inside. Oh no, my finger! So everywhere chocolate. Everywhere chocolate. Chocolate. Treat on it. Oh. Look, friends, it's done now. This is Cadbury and the banana. 20 minutes wait. And let's do with this. Put in the freezer. You want to do? Okay, that do with me. Friends, look, it's done now. Let's put it in the tray. And look, it's already turns up ice. You want to eat it? Okay, then eat it. Yummy. Eating. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.